three
sparkly critters. I hope you enjoyed this video.
Let's get started.
Okay.
All right, let's see. We got this. Ooh.
You might open it from the locally side. From that side.
Here we go.
Okay.
I'll keep the other ones unwrapped.
Now we have to open right here where this says pull.
Okay.
You gotta stick your finger in your nose and then you just pull it.
Ooh.
That's the unicorn food.
I like their unicorn food.
And then how to spin it, you gotta do this.
Ooh. Oh, yay! Looks like we're all done with that one.
Okay.
All right. Ooh.
I know this one.
Is it blue? Oh. Is that the dragon? It's the dragon. Oh, you got
And it
sing.
doesn't have a heart, so that means
It's
this one
sing. Or cinch?
Does it go with the dork?
No.
Oh. They're supposed to have the little things.
He's from the Junk Foodie Duties.
Look at it, guys.
It's so cute. Wow. Alright, let's open up the...
Stand. So now we're gonna open this one.
Here, hold on. You have to open up the bottles, remember? Maya, here. There's that one. Let's see what bag and bottle they got.
This one is the spoon.
Ooh.
It says Zeta on the top, guys. Oh.
Which ones does he have? Ooh, he's got the lazy. Is it the lazy? Yep, lazies. That's so cute. Oh, he's got the purple grape flavored Fanta. That's so nice.
Okay, we're gonna put that here.
All right. Ooh, he's so cute. Let's put him back in his little container.
Okay, now we're gonna open this one.
You're so cute.
So it looks like you're about to drink it, and there's a toy.
Yeah. It's a big toy there. It's cute. You got the food.
The butter.
Who else do we have?
Sprite.
Ooh, Sprite. Oh! You're gonna love this one.
Is it the one that I'm thinking?
Which who are you thinking? What color is he?
Like spikes on the head and ears and like the glows in the dark.
No. You're right about having spikes in the ears.
Am I getting him?
I don't know. Oh, I think so. What color do you think?
I don't know.
You gotta turn it over.
I know. This bunny hops. Look!
You got Cheeky, that's his name.
Party!
Yay! I like the piercings in his ears.
How does he do that?
It's cute.
But how did he like put spikes in his
I don't know.
It's kind of good. Look at him.
You got Cheeky from the Junk Foodie Duties.
It's like junk. Okay, can you please?
Oh yeah, little. A spoon and a little bag. Ooh, yep. Here you go. Like that.
I thought there was going to be a rainbow one.
Wow, that is awesome. Last one.
Are you sure? Because we... Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we opened that one, remember?
Yeah. I thought those were the ones to open and down. Okay, this one is already open.
Sorry, guys.
Okay.
You spin it.
Is it the one that I'm thinking?
I don't know, who are you thinking?
Spikes?
Ooh, all right, let's see. You need help with the bag?
Yeah.
I like to see the bottles, that way we can see who we get. Here,
Okay.
I think you're gonna love this one. Ooh,
Oh, yeah.
look at that. Can we see? Sorry.
Now we got the chocolate.
Look at that, guys. I know who she's getting.
Who was it?
Ooh, I will tell you. So, he's orange and he has black stripes. He's cute.
Is that for real?
Yeah. Okay, I'll take that and that. Ooh. You got Stripes. That's his name.
Stripes?
You're gonna love him. He's so cute.
Oh, that's a tiger.
Ah! He's cute, huh?
Yeah.
Look, guys.
You shouldn't say he had a lot of stripes.
I told you. He has stripes. Look how cute he is. Wow.
Even they can move their arms.
They're so cute. What do you like about them, Maya?
So just like you can make slime and then you shake them and then you can like play with them as a doll.
Yeah. Guys, they're so worth it. They're
I thought they have glitter in their eyes. And then
But their eyes are so cute. They're so big and shiny. Right? They're cute. Yay.
this is kind of more cuter because how they move their hands. And it's more easy.
I like their big eyelashes.
But you know what we're forgetting about the Strawberry Pleasures collection? We're just forgetting spikes.
Yeah, and
Because we
there's
got
a lot
the
more.
spikes.
There's a lot more.
Yeah.
This is awesome.
And this is the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed this video. And give it a big thumbs up. If you have any comments below,
Let us know, comment,
comment
and
below.
subscribe.
Yes.
And ring the bell so
Yeah.
that way you can get notifications of all of her new videos.
Yes.
Thank you, guys. Bye.
Bye.